So you got the job. The offer letter said $50,000 a year. You did the math. That's over $4,000 a month. You're rich. Then the first direct deposit hits, and it's $3,100. Where did the rest go? Did HR steal it? Nope. Welcome to Adulting 101. Today, we're decoding your pay stub so you don't freak out. First up, the two most important words in finance. Gross pay is what you earn. This is the number you brag about to your friends. That pay is what you keep. It's also called take-home pay. The difference between these two bars is called withholding, or, as I like to call it, the government's subscription fee. Let's look at the suspects. First, federal income tax. This is the big one. Your boss sends this straight to the IRS before you even see it. It pays for national defense, highways, and bureaucracy. Next, who is FICA? And why did he take $200? FICA stands for Social Security and Medicare. Think of this as a forced savings account for when you're 67 and want to retire. You're basically paying future you, depending on where you live. You might see state income tax. If you live in Texas or Florida, congrats, this section is $0. If you live in California or New York, I'm sorry. Finally, look for the good deductions. If you see 401k or health insurance, that's money you chose to spend on yourself. It lowers your taxes now and saves you later. This is actually a win. So your paycheck isn't broken, it's just pre-filtered. If this helped you feel less robbed, hit subscribe. Next week, we're talking about how to actually keep that net pay